Hello, people. Now, regardless of whether you like reading or not, Karma by Sadhguru is one book that every human being on this planet ought to read. You know, it's like, no, uh, uh, I mean, the profundity of the book, like the kind of thoughts, for instance, you know, this book will teach you that all our lives we are concerned with our own individual karma, when in fact it is actually the collective karma that will finally, what we are experiencing right now is a result of a collective karma. And this book ends, I just finished reading it, so it ends with this whole thing of, in olden days courtesans used to be dressed with a lot of jewels, I'm told, like jewels that would cover their body, and uh, there would be a single pin that would hold that entire jewelry thing together. Otherwise, without that pin, you couldn't, uh, take it off its thing. So that one pin, if you were to ask in the karmic parlance, it is, we tend to spend all our lives thinking, what about me? I mean, we, the whole notion of karma uh, begins when you separate yourself from the whole. So this book, Karma, will teach you that there is no such thing as individual karma. We are all part of the collective whole. And so the more you are able to think in larger terms, in broader terms, the faster your karma dissolves. Because what happens is, all our lives we are in pursuit of things for us, ourselves, our name, our family name, things like that, when in fact the universe doesn't recognize any such thing. And also, if you want to be free of this bondage altogether, the people who, like, we all tend to have this thing, right, that this will live on after I go, so that again in itself creates a karma, apparently. And this book has opened my eyes to the fact that karma is even created at the mind level. Like, if mind, like if you wish someone well or wish someone ill, both accrue a certain karma. And also, like, there are so many thoughts in this book, yeah. So so that's what it is. I can't recommend it enough, yeah. So please go and read it. It's called Karma, a yogi's guide to crafting your destiny, and it will change the way you see the world. So it's a 3-minute long video, but really, people, this is a book you have to read. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.